Hey there YouTube, Clark Family Orchards here. Just wanted to show you we just got our Miami fruit box in. They sent us a free box of Orinoco bananas. All we had to do was pay shipping, so let's see what came. Alright, I'm doing this with my son on my lap, so let's see. Don't really know. I don't think my wife would want me to show him on camera, so I'm not gonna do that. Alright, so sorry, my camera stopped recording after a second. I must have hit it on accident. But this was what was in the box. This was a small box that I got for, I think it was 19 bucks for shipping. It was supposed to be free. I guess the small box is $67. And I'm just gonna say, if you're paying $67 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bananas, I don't know. I think you're getting ripped off just a little bit. Just a little bit. Now, of course, for 9 bananas, $19 is even kind of pricey, but, okay, I'm gonna let you go. You get down, you don't like what we're doing. Okay, so, I like the idea of Miami Fruit and what they're doing, but I feel like, and thank you to Miami Fruit for giving me this box for free, basically, but would I ever buy this box at full price? No. I did buy a Jaboticaba box, a large box. I think it was 140 something, and it said 8 to 10 pounds of fruit. So I think that's also kind of steep, but I was very, very like in the mode, and I wanted to like germinate a bunch of seeds. And so I think the variety that they're going to be sending me is the Sabra variety, which is the most popular variety. It takes 8 to 12 years from seed to fruit. I've done more research since then, and I've come across the red hybrid, which a lot of people like even better, and it fruits from 3 to 5 years after from seed. So I've got 30 of those actually germinating right now in my bin. Maybe I can show you. 10 of them have already come up and sprouted and are showing growth. So let's take a look at that. This will be like a double video with 2 faces on it, if you will. Cool little sticker here. But yeah, I could never pay full price. I would never pay $67 plus shipping for a box of 9 bananas. So I don't care how good they are, but yeah, nice little novelty to have some Orinoco or Burro bananas. So I think I'm gonna let these. I think you're supposed to let these get pretty much black before you eat them, and that's what I'll do. You might even, some people probably even cook with these. So we'll see. I'm not sure if it's a banana or a plátano or a plantain. Plátano. All right, guys. So I don't know how well you're gonna be able to see these little sprouts of these jabos, but I planted 30 into these little pots. Put it in sort of a humidity-controlled area here with this bin. I am trying to keep it out of direct sunlight, but since the top is open, I think I'm okay now. And it's also like 6 o'clock, almost 6 o'clock right now, PM. So let's see if I can show you. Looks like one's coming up right there. One is coming up over here. One is coming up there. There's 3. Not there yet, not there. Not there, not there, not there that I know of. 4. Not there yet, not there, not there. 5. Ooh, got a double. So these are polyembryonic is what I've heard. So we've got, let's see, 6. 7. You can see that guy right there. 8. 9. I don't know if you can see that one. 10. Looks like 10 so far, like I said. So what I'll do is I will keep these. I don't want to show him, but I will keep these in this bin. I will shut the bin, and what I do is I slide it under here. During these later hours, I bring a box over here to shade. And so I do let it get some indirect sunlight during the day. But as soon as that sun comes over here during, 5, 6 o'clock p.m., I shade it with the box. Otherwise, I just feel like they would be cooking in there, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm also got some black sapotes coming up. They're not coming up yet, but they are in there. And I think my soursop I did softwood cuttings of 4 soursop, and I think at least one of them is taking. So I did have plastic bags on these to control humidity and all of that. And I got my Barbados cherry to with no rooting hormone. This guy a cutting. Now I'm not 100% sure it's all the way, so I'm gonna hold back a little bit. I'm not gonna just do anything with it yet, but I am going to keep an eye on it. So got some other things going on here, like the mulberries. I'm always messing with the mulberries. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Also, I don't want to knock Miami Fruit. I read their mission. I read some of their statements on their page. That does go in the recycling bin, buddy. And you know, it was kind of humbling to read that. And I kind of sat back down and I was like, oh, I kind of took a crap on them. But yeah, the sustainability factor and all that stuff. I love the direction they're going in, and I'm sure they're making a killing. So anyway, I'm going to end this video, guys, and take care. See you later. Bye.